when I was in the studio doing the recording session, sabi ko, Jonathan, feeling ko sobrang mag-hihit tong kantang to. Tapos nung ni-release namin, parang hindi masyado. Parang hindi siya masyadong, pero nag-number one din siya sa, sa charts. Pero hindi siya naging classic like, unlike Pagbigyang Muli, Kung Akin ang Mundo, Kung Ako Wala Ka. Pero kasi parang ginawa namin yun, formula song for the masa. Tapos, yun, minsan kung ano pa yung, hindi mo rin kasi alam napaka, pabago-bago kasi yung gusto ng mga tao. So, hindi mo alam kung ano yung sisikat, hindi mo alam kung ano yung mag-hit. Minsan na sobrang formula na yung ginawa mo, tapos parang hindi masyadong nagustuhan. Tapos minsan parang nag-throwaway single ka na lang, tapos biglang nag-hit song. At biglang nag-hit yung song. So, ayun. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Chris. Who would like to ask the next question? Miss Jamie Ortega.
Hi, Miss Jamie Ortega. Hello.
Hello po. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, Sir Eric.
Nice to see you too.
Yes. Question ko lang, na-curious lang ako. Can you give any hint, maybe word, hand gesture to your collab with SB19 Stel? And how is it like working with you? Thank you.
18 po kasi ako to begin with.
Ako din.
Yeah. Sobrang po akong fan ng SB19. Gusto ko yung kanta nila na Hila, saka yung Hanggang sa Huli. Then, nabigyan ako ng chance na makipag-collaborate sa kanya na naging special guest ko siya sa aking milestone US and Canada tour. So, syempre, pagkakaroon kayo ng pagkakataon na makapag-usap and makapag-bonding. So, parang sabi ko, bakit hindi tayo gumawa ng isang original song na feeling namin, tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, feeling namin papatok. Nung narinig ko, sabi ko parang feeling ko mag-hit tong song na to. Then, ginawa talaga siya para sa aming dalawa ni Stel. So, na-record na namin siya, so it will be released next year. Siguro mga February. Live album, mga kaibigan, you too can find that same strength, that same courage. Whatever season in life you are in right now. Tonight, let me leave you this beautiful song which started it all for me. I am so overwhelmed with the love that I've been getting because of this song, and I am sharing that love with all of you tonight. Maraming salamat. This song is for you.